Your ambition, if you have any sense, should be to become competent. Do you want to be strong, articulate, and dangerous? Or do you want to be weak and useless? The ability to be dangerous comes from mastering your mind and your words. Being articulate isn't just about speaking well. It's about shaping your reality, controlling your destiny, and standing firm in the face of adversity. Every advantage comes with a disadvantage. If you're extroverted, you're social and charismatic, but you might struggle with impulsivity and distraction. If you're introverted, you have focus and depth, but you might battle isolation. No matter where you fall, your strengths will be your challenges, and your weaknesses will be your tests. That's why order matters. A chaotic room breeds anxiety. A mind cluttered with fear and doubt does the same. People don't suppress what they fear. They avoid unpacking it. If you want control, you must confront the mess. You need a goal that stretches beyond reach. We are built to climb, to push forward. When you reach the peak, don't stop. Find the next mountain. The pursuit itself is where meaning is found. But beware of unintended consequences. Every action has ripple effects, some expected, some devastating. The truth? It's painful. But without it, life is just an illusion. Telling the truth means facing your inadequacies. It means embracing humility, knowing you're flawed, and daring to improve anyway. If you refuse, you'll settle into a role you never chose, a life without meaning. So take your place in the world. Have ambition. Set a vision. Build a strategy. Not because someone told you to, but because it's the only way to truly live. Sit in silence and ask yourself, what's one thing I know I'm doing wrong that I could fix today? If you listen, you'll get an answer. Growth comes from weight, the burden you choose to carry. And the truth is, we don't know the upper limit of what we're capable of. You want a goal you can never fully reach. That might sound frustrating, like Sisyphus pushing his rock uphill, but it's not. Because with every step you get stronger, wiser, and better. The highest virtues are transcendent. They exist beyond the present moment, calling you forward. That's why true success isn't about reaching the top. It's about having the next summit in sight. You weren't born to be idle, drifting through life, dreaming of vacations and comfort. That's a recipe for boredom, weakness, and regret. A life of indulgence sounds good, until you realize it leads to emptiness. You are built for struggle. Not meaningless suffering, but the fight to become something greater. You need a cause, a challenge, a mission. And if you ever wonder why you feel lost, weak, or unfulfilled, it's because you haven't picked up your sword and started climbing. Take responsibility. Face the truth. The adventure of your life starts the moment you decide to rise.